Hey tech fans! Apple Vision Pro 2 is coming with a beefy M4 or M5 chip and a game-changing head strap. Ready for next-level spatial computing? Stick with GadInsider to find out what's new. What's good, GadInsider crew? Apple's Vision Pro blew us away in 2024, but its sequel, Vision Pro 2, is rumored to take things up a notch with better performance and comfort. Let's dive into the leaks. The big buzz is about the chip. The original Vision Pro rocked an M2, but Vision Pro 2 might pack an M4 or even the unreleased M5 chip. Reports are mixed, but either way, expect a massive performance boost, especially for AI tasks. Apple's testing a souped-up neural engine with more than current 16 cores, making real-time rendering of virtual environments smoother and faster. Whether it's M4 or M5, this headset's ready to handle next-gen spatial computing like a champ. One of the biggest gripes about the Vision Pro? It's heavy, about 1.4 pounds. That weight can strain your neck during long sessions. Apple's tackling this with a redesigned head strap for Vision Pro 2 aimed at cutting down head pain and neck strain. While the headset's core design and weight might stay the same, this new strap could be a game changer for comfort. Even better, rumors suggest it might be sold separately, so original Vision Pro owners can upgrade without buying a whole new headset. Vision Pro 2 is shaping up as a spec-focused refresh, keeping the sleek design and $3,500 price tag of the original. The focus is on performance and comfort, not a full redesign. That beefier neural engine will supercharge AI features like eye tracking and persona rendering, making immersive experiences feel more seamless. While it might not tempt current owners to upgrade, it is a solid step forward for Apple's spatial computing vision, especially for new buyers or developers. Apple's expected to drop Vision Pro 2 later this year, possibly alongside new M5 MacBook Pros or the iPhone 17 in September. This isn't a full-blown second-gen overhaul. Think of it as a polished version of the original, setting the stage for a lighter, cheaper model in 2027. For now, Vision Pro 2 is all about power and comfort, keeping Apple ahead in the mixed reality game. That's the scoop on Apple Vision Pro 2. Are you hyped for the M4, M5 upgrade, or that comfier strap? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and ring the bell for more tech news.